Okay, can we start?
Yes, sir.
So we discussed about family, okay, and then we discussed about, or we started off with marriage, and then we have discussed about family. So marriage we have discussed. So marriage we have discussed. Family we have discussed. Now we ended up with discussing the types of family. So we will see this in detail today. I have the PDF of this, so we will discuss with the PDF. Okay, and we will also discuss about contemporary trends. Okay, the trends which you can see now with respect to family. So marriage, family, the types of family, contemporary trends. Okay, now before that I'll start today with this topic, household. Okay, so household is also a very important concept. From that you can get mains questions, short questions also, and the long answers can also be asked from household. Paper 2 also, they can ask you question household dimensions. So we will see what is household now. Now before that, some of you missed this class now meet. I have actually updated this video in the application, so you can go through that. So complete meet, complete thinkers, so you can be very confident about that. Parson and Merton, complete thinkers I have updated in the application, and I have also updated the PDF over there. In case if any one of you missing any PDF, go and get it from there. Okay, so complete the thinkers faster. So let's start with household today. Any doubts from any discussion? Any doubts?
Sir, if any mother having a child and got separated, then it is also called a family.
Single parent
The mother
family.
and
That is a new trend. I will discuss under contemporary trend. Single parent family. That is also considered as family.
after separation.
Yes.
Okay.
But that may not be the one which we have discussed yesterday. It may not be nuclear family. It won't come under that. It won't be extended family. It won't come under that. It won't be something called as reconstituted family. No. Okay. So it will come under single parent family. But if this female, let's say you're talking about a female with a kid, right? And this got separated, another male with another kid. Okay. If they are getting married, then this is going to be reconstituted family. So different contemporary trends we'll discuss today. Don't worry about
Okay, sir. Okay.
that. Okay, now household means you need to know the definition, the exact difference between household. Most of the students understanding household and family as the same. Okay, so you can see here, household is usually a group of people live together and take their meals from a common kitchen unless the exigencies of work prevent them from doing so. So any situation where people are living together and taking food from the same kitchen, that is what household. So we can say if you are living in a hotel, that is also considered as a household. It is not necessary that the people who are living in the same house, okay, living together means, it doesn't mean that they need to be relatives here. But when it comes to family, they must have some kind of relation. That should be kins, right? It should be related either by blood or by marriage or adoption. So some kind of relation is required when we discuss about family. Family also, group of people live together, eat from common kitchen, but there should be related through some type of kindred, or there should be some relation. It can be blood relation, it can be a final relation, okay, that means marriage relation, or it can be adoption. So some kind of relation should be there between the members, then it is family. Household, that is not necessary. People are living together and eating food from the same kitchen, so that is what household. So can I say all families are household? All families are household. Can I say that?
Yes, sir.
All families are actually household, because family, if you take, the people are living together, a group of people are there living together, eating from the common kitchen. So families are household. Can I say all families are household? Yes, I can say. Can I say all households as families?
No, sir.
No. Households, not all households are family, right? Households means there is no need of that, relations. There is no need of blood relation. There is no need of affinal relation. Affinal relation means the the husband and wife relation. Okay, so no blood relation. Blood relation also you will see later consanguineal relation. Okay, so consanguineal, that is blood relation. Marriage relation, that is affinal relation, or adoption. So some kind of relation is required when it comes to family, but in case of household, that's not required. So all families are household, but not all households are families. What is the difference? In household, there is no need of people being related. So when you say, if you're going and let's suppose you're going to a particular city, okay, city A, there you're staying in a hotel. You're staying in a hotel, this is actually a household. Okay, hostel, if you're staying in a hostel, that is also household. It is not necessary people are related by blood or any relation. People are staying together, people are eating from the same kitchen, okay, group of people. That is what the jail, if you talk about, that is also household. So it's all about people are living together and take their meals from the common kitchen. That's it. Okay, so that's the idea of household. So I hope you might have understood what is the difference between family and household. So I can say, when I talk about household, it is broader, and family is just a part of it. Okay, family is just a part of it. There can be some other households also. So here, if people are living together and taking food from the common kitchen, and if they are related, then they will come under family. Okay, otherwise, if no relations, they will come under different households. Like this can be hostel, this can be hotels, or this can be jails, or this can be different pavements, or under the bridges people are living together. Okay, so all these can be part of that. The person in a household may or may not have familial relation. Okay, the concept of household was first introduced during 19th century in the census operation. The census officials are asked to list households rather than particular families. Now the reason is, it is very difficult to, when you go to a family, it may be very difficult to get all the members. Some members may be missed out. So if some members are staying some other place for education or job, etc., you may miss out some members. But if you take a household, it is very easy that when you are going, how many members are there in that particular household. So hostels and everything will be taken care in that. Tell me, Arun.
Sir, I have a doubt. We have talked about modified extended family last day.
Yeah.
Then can we say that the modified extended family also comes under the household? Because we are saying that all families are household.
Yes. Modified extended family is also household.
Sir, but in the modified extended family, people are living separately, but they're connecting only through the use of modern methods, right? So then how can
No. Modified extended family. Okay, in that people are in the distance, right? This is let's say in India and people are in England. So here it is not a household. For that you need to be if you live under the same roof, that is required. This has to be a condition. You have to live under the same roof. Living together is very important.
Yes.
Okay. Now, modified extended family means that is a concept given by a thinker, Colin Bell. So he called that type of family, like people are staying here. So in his opinion, they are also considered as family. So different people will say different thing about family, but when we talk about family, people are living together. Okay, the taking care of child is there, blood relation, adoption, all these things are there, eating food from the common kitchen, socially approved sexual relation, all these things are there, part of family. So this is just a way of understanding this particular situation. So they are saying there's a modified family, but that you don't want to compare in household. Household, when I'm talking about the family, that is a traditional, normal definition of family is what we are taking. Those are exceptions, right?
So, but okay, then can I write that the exception can be the modern extended family given by Colin Bell?
No. Actually, there is no need to write if the question is about household, there is no need to write about any different types of family. You just need to refer to family. That's it. You don't want to talk even about this extended family. To the maximum, you need to talk about nuclear family and extended family. Beyond that, you don't want to talk about modified family or weekend family. Nothing. Those things are under family. If the question is about types of family, or if the question is about contemporary trends of family, so these are different trends which you can see now. These are not standardized patterns. When we call family, family means people are living together, people having commitment, people are related, people have blood relation. All these things are what the ideal types, the regularities of family. But these are contemporary trends. So these are new things which is seen. So that we don't want to write under household anyway. Okay, nuclear you need to write because that is a standard form. Extended you need to write, that is a standard form that is seen in all society. But modified, extended, weakened family, reconstituted family, all these are different types and different trends of family. Single parent family, all these no need to bring here. That is the different types within family. That we are talking broadly about family, nuclear family and extended family. That is enough.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So, the census officials are asked to list households rather than particular families. It was technically difficult to recognize a family, whereas a household were much easier to recognize. Thus, mostly the families are household, but all households do not qualify as family. I've told you, right? So let's say this is household. Family will be this. Some households are families, not all. Okay? So households, there are many other things will come, like when I'm talking about hotel, that can come, that is also considered as household. Hostel, okay, so this is also considered as household. Like that, family is also one of the type of household. That's it. So family comes under household. In this way, there are two types of household. Familial household, okay, that means the members of the family. Non-familial household, those people who are not related. So when we talk about nuclear family, extended family, etc., they are household, but people are related. So familial household. When we talk about hostels, etc., those are non-familial because people are not related. So you can see here, households, familial, that means people are related. Okay, so it can be simple, it can be complex. Simple means one parental unit. Okay, so basically I'm talking about one parental unit means I'm basically talking about what family here? Nuclear family. So nuclear. So complex, more than one parental unit, I'm talking about extended family. Okay, don't write joint family here. Extended family. So I've already discussed this vertically extended and horizontally extended, or linearly extended and laterally extended yesterday. So in both cases, more than one parental group will come. So that is complex familial household. So simple familial household, complex familial household. Non-familial means people are not related. So in that, further divisions are institutional. For example, when we talk about hotel, when we talk about hostels, okay, these are institutional. Jails, okay, these are institutionalized households. Non-familial but institutional. Non-institutional means like this migrant workers, etc., they stay under the bridge, right? So they stay under the bridge and they cook there also, and they eat together, or pavements or pipelines, etc. Okay, so these are non-institutional. So any doubt with respect to this? Households are divided into familial, non-familial. So our study on family is actually, this part. When we are studying family, that means effectively we are studying household, and this part is what we are studying. We are studying simple, we are studying complex. And further we can see different contemporary trends now. So family comes under one of the aspect of household. So household divided as familial, non-familial. Family further divided into, now forget about household, you can say family, simple, complex, or simple household, complex household. One parental group, more than one parental group. Or in terms of family, nuclear family, extended family. Institutional, non-institutional. Non-institutional means bridges, okay, pipes, etc. Institutional, hotels, hostels, jails, etc. Okay, are we okay with this household concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Familial households are further two types, simple and complex, right? That we have anyway seen. Do you want me to read this again? simple and complex depending upon the number of parental unit. In simple household, one parental unit. In complex household, more than one parental unit. Non-familial households can be either institutional or non-institutional. So here households, non-familial household, that means a group of unrelated people. So here group of related people. Okay, so here unrelated people who live in an institution and takes their meals from the common kitchen is called an institutional household. So these are examples: hostels, hotels, orphanages, ashrams, jails, etc. Okay. Other households are non-institutional. Census operation even recognize the houseless households, which include people living in the open, on the roadside, pavements, pipes, flyovers, etc. These include all temporary hutments which are not recognized by officials as census households. Thus, the concept of household draws from people living together and fulfilling one or the other functions of family. Okay, so that's what household. Now, types of family. So yesterday we have discussed about types of family. Already we have done this discussion. So any doubt in that yesterday's discussion? So let me go through that quickly.